Look, went to LA just to work with Big Hit. Bitch pussy always stank, so I call her Big Fish. It's a drought on Wakart, so I gotta sip Trish. I heard Tyler got that water, bae, I'm trying to get drenched.
I need the water right now!
But we friends though, Cully black badge, I can't fit inside the Lambo. Niggas ain't touching no money like your hands broke. Nigga don't take care of his kids, what you stand for?
Get the angles right, bro. Alright, so what's the word? We're gone. That's Quan. Can't forget the Cozart. You feel me? Come back to y'all with another reaction, motherfucker. You feel me? Time we reacting to Hurricane Wisdom. It's gonna be a double reaction. This Kinfolk and Need Me is the other song. This dropped a few days ago. Need Me just dropped, like, I don't know if it dropped today or yesterday, but yeah. I'm finna hop into it, bro. I fuck with Hurricane Wisdom though. You feel me? But yeah, I ain't got no fans right now, so I'm gonna just react to music and videos that I want to react to. You feel me? Until I'm up. Hopefully, I'm up eventually. You feel me? Or sooner than later. But we finna hop back in it. Hop right in there, motherfucker. You feel me? Fuck with the video. Drop a like. Drop a comment. Sub. Let's do it though. Swear on my mama.
Hey yo, Pluto, you going brazy?
Wow. Pay for real on the plate is crazy. I fuck with Sleepy Hollow too. I ain't even say that. I've been listening to Sleepy Hollow since pre-COVID, way before COVID.
Let's believe this shit go bad, I did it off my kinfolk. Nowadays on mainstream, still got folks I kill for. Say I'm stuck on drinks, say I won't, but I still poke. Was proud and he still poke. I decided shit on drinks, that's the shit I
Yo, y'all put that lean down, man. Bad shit mechanics, bad shit.
We live for follow rules, I still don't. The reason they still hold, the reason they still hold. They still hold.
Wonder how I'm finna die with all this shit I could live for. All these niggas fake, I wonder where all the real go.
Sleepy don't rap like this often, hold on.
With all this shit I could live for. All these niggas fake, I wonder where all the real go.
Nah, look at these niggas. Looking like a mini me.
Let me put it to you this way, cuz.
What the fuck, boy?
I'm finna die with all this shit I could live for. All these niggas fake, I wonder where all the real go. Finished burning bridges in the start, we was real close. Throwing out these pictures, all these memories feel broke. Shit, I guess I'm on my own.
You go Chrome?
Nah, I can't stay with you, girl, I got some love at home. And bitch, my heart expensive, gotta break that shit with Chrome. I'm a dog, I need it, I caught it throwing on my bone.
I ain't know the person to say that.
Nowadays on mainstream, still got folks I kill for. Say I'm stuck on
drinks,
say I won't, but I still poke. Was proud and he still poke. I decided shit on drinks, that's the shit that we live for. Follow rules, I still don't. The reason they still hold, the reason they still hold. Can't living off whole life. Told the bro hop on that flight. Where I'm from, they still hold. Can't living off whole life, fucking 9 to 5. I told the bro hop on that flight, he rather go and slide. I know it's times I wanna hide, I don't.
Told the bro hop on that flight, he rather slide.
I told the bro hop on that flight, he rather go and slide.
Like that?
It's times I wanna hide, I don't. If I decide to cry, he gone. Last thing he see was false. She go back from.
I shed a tear, boy. Best believe it's gonna be repercussions. Swear to God.
If you want to support me, get 100 Glocks and ride down on all your ops. I swear to God, my mama. Stop playing with me.
I wanna hide, I don't. If I decide to cry, he gone. Last thing he see was false. She go back for my phone. Last thing shit go bad and it was off my kinfolk. Nowadays chopping coke, I got folks I kill. Why the fuck would I won't die and I got shit I can give? Not the type to kill a dreams, that's the shit that we live for.
Toasting the walk with Chapagane is crazy. That's dirty Sprite and cheers in the Chapagane is crazy, bro.
I'm gonna drink some champagne. Y'all gonna join me? Y'all want some champagne or y'all good?
Yeah. Nigga fuck with a champagne.
Yeah, champagne.
Not champagne. That tripping. He really did that wild shit, bro. That was Kinfolk though. I fuck with that. I ain't really expect Sleepy to get the melodic on that motherfucker, you feel me? He don't do that often, I feel like. Or do he? I don't know. But yeah. We finna hop right into that. I fuck with this. We finna hop in the next one though. Alright, this that Need Me Hurricane Wilson. It's just him on this. Here we go with the walk again, boy.
It's in my cup. You.
I'm telling you. But yeah, we finna hop in the motherfucker. I do it. Already fuck with the sample. I need you. Oh shit, hold up. He be sampling shit too. That shit hard. How tall this nigga is, fool?
She need me, but I need drink. 004, bitch, I got right. Keep my pause, you don't go straight.
She need, but I need drink.
004, bitch, I got right. Keep my pause, you don't go straight. Yeah, fun, done it, I got fun, done it, I got paid. Ain't got no kids, but I still slide with the done it, baby Drake. Ain't too bad, but wait till you see this shit gon' got you think it's a king. Too gone, shit on top of my phone, and make niggas say no way. And I'm at it today. I'm about to fly to steady, third time buzzing play. I make a bitch wait. I tell her I just got home, this third time buzzing the face. Tell her I just got grown, this third time behind the leg. Say go. I tell her bitch you can leave, I ain't never been one for a change. She want more, nigga you know she want more. She done, she think I'm a bang. She need me, she think she need me on God, this bitch don't think.
She think she need me on God, this bitch don't think. You don't need me, bitch. Go get some sleep.
She need me, but I need drink. 004, bitch, I got right. Keep my pause, you don't go straight. Yeah, fun, done it, I got fun, done it, I got paid. Ain't got no kids, but I still slide with the done it, baby Drake. Ain't too bad, but wait till you see this shit gon' got you think it's a king. Too gone, shit on top of my phone, and make niggas say no way. That's on my mind, only money. 2 rounds, only honey. Hopped out, let me run it. Hopped in, caught it back in. Got home, beat it back in. That phone, blew it back out. Don't miss, this a blackout. Fuck trash, how do you act like? But shit ain't nothing, I spilled some drink, it was just some quake. You hear that? You just seen quake. Ain't wash shit down where ain't no chase. I just go down, was proud I changed. See, I was some bread on shit in the change. Didn't know it was that. I'm the one who arranged. Her gang got rich. So I get a bank, nigga.
This nigga one of them ones. Damn. I need you. He need to put that walk down. He drinking that shit too much. No bullshit. His fucking kidney, his liver, some shit gonna give out on him. He tripping. He probably spending a lot on that shit too. He in a water swimming pool. I just peeped. That shit crazy. It was that Need Me though. I fuck with it heavy. I think I rock with this more than I rock with the other one. But yeah, Hurricane Will's the one of them one, but he got the voice for it too, and he be flowing. You feel me? But yeah, that was reaction, motherfucker. That Need Me, and then that Kinfolk. Leave a comment on which one you fuck with the most. Fuck with the video, drop a like, sub, share it out. But if you don't, it's alright. I understand. Y'all have a blessed day. I'm gonna see y'all on the next one though. You feel me? I'm gone. You know what it is, snot.
That thing bleeding to the, you know what I mean?
Walkie slush.
That thing bleeding, P.